Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss the formula of sin 3x, cos 3x and tan 3x. So see here, sin a plus b, you know that sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. If a equal to, either you can take here b is equal to 2a, b is equal to 2a, then here sin a plus 2a is equal to sin a into cos. So in place of b, I am writing 2a. In place of b I am writing 2a. So 2a and cos here a into sin 2a. Now sin here 3a. A plus 2a is 3a. So sin a, okay, and cos 2a formula is, we discussed already, cos 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a plus cos a into sin 2a. I am writing here sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a. So sin 2a formula is 2 sin a into cos a. Now our purpose to convert all this one into sine form, because sin 3a, so we are going to convert all this one into sine form. So see here, sin a and cos square a we can write 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a, here 2 sin a. Now cos a and cos a is equal to cos square a. We can write here cos square a. Now see here. Now sin a multiply all this one. So sin a multiply 1, sin a minus sin cube a, sin a multiply sin square a, sin cube a minus sin cube a plus 2 sin a into cos square a, I am writing 1 minus sin square a. So this one is equal to sin a minus sin cube a, and sin cube a is equal to minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a into 1. So 2 sin a and 2 sin a minus, here 2 sin a multiply minus sin square a, so minus 2 sin cube a. Now see here, sin cube 2 sin cube a and 2 sin cube a become minus 4 sin cube a, and sin a, here 2 sin a become 3 sin a. So this one is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So this is the formula of sin 3a. So sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now I am going to discuss formula of cos 3a. So see here, cos 3a, or we can write it first, cos a plus b is equal to cos a into cos b minus sine A into sine B. So if B is equal to 2A, then here become cos A plus 2A. So cos A into cos 2A minus sine A into sine 2A. So our purpose to convert, this is a cos, so our purpose to convert all of this one in the cos form. So see here, cos 3A is equal to cos A. See here, 1 plus cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A. So cos 2A is equal to cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. We can write like this. 1 plus cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A. So cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So put here. So 2 cos square A minus 1 minus sine A, sine 2A, this one sine 2A we can write here 2 sine A into cos A. Sine A into sine 2A is 2 sine A into cos A. So see here, cos A into 2 cos square A, 2 cos cube A minus cos A. Here minus 2 sine square A, 2 sine A into sine A, sine square A into cos A. So 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2. Our purpose to convert all of this one in sine and cos form. So sine square A, here sine square A we can convert into 1 minus cos square A into cos A. So this one equal to 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A multiply 1. So minus 2 cos A minus multiply minus is plus 2 cos square A multiply cos A become plus 2 cos cube A. So see here, 2 cos cube A and 2 cos cube A equal to 4 cos cube A. So 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So this is the formula of cos 3A. You have to keep in mind this formula. So see here, in sin 3A, here was 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Just here you change the position, you will get, see here, sin 3A. So 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So in place of sin, put here cos, so become 3 cos A and 4 cos cube A and change the sign, you will get this one. So keep in mind like this formula.